Have you ever wondered how some people make over 100,000 weekly? Today, I'm going to reveal my methods. This isn't just hype or fantasy. I will share my systems, mindset, and strategies. You can apply them yourself regardless of your starting point. Want to create real income? Stay tuned as I explain everything in detail. Many believe that high incomes come from a singular event or a secret. This belief is misleading. I earn my income through multiple streams working in tandem. And don't worry, it's not about working endlessly. It's about establishing scalable systems. Here's my fundamental rule. Never trade time for money. In my early days, I worked hourly. I chased clients relentlessly. This limited my income potential. Then I shifted focus to leverage, automation, and systems. Understanding this changed everything. Suddenly, income became predictable, not random. My main source of income? My primary business. This may include e-commerce, service businesses, or digital products. The crucial elements are solving genuine problems, scaling effectively, relying on systems rather than constant efforts. This primary income engine generates most of my weekly revenue, supporting all other ventures. Content is an essential asset I build today. Platforms like YouTube and social media help me distribute content widely. This isn't about fame, it's about generating leads. Content helps me attract customers daily, build trust at scale, generate income through ads and partnerships. Your smartphone could be your business tool. Once my cash flow is stable, I invest. I redirect funds into assets that generate income automatically. These could be investments or long-term projects. This strategy provides stability. You won't panic over a bad week. Here's why many don't achieve high income. They chase too many ideas. They quit too soon. They seek shortcuts over skill development. High income is about patience, repetition, and consistency. The excitement appears later. If you're starting from scratch, focus on these steps. 1. Identify a marketable skill. 2. Develop one primary income stream. 3. Master sales and marketing. 4. Document your journey through content. 5. Reallocate profits for further growth. Perfection isn't needed. Starting is essential. I didn't begin wealthy. I had no special advantages. I learned how money functions. For more insights, in-depth strategies, and actionable business advice, consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, commenting systems. If you made it this far, see you in the next video.